Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. I hope you had an amazing week. Today we're going to be talking about the Rare Beauty Under Eye Brightener. So you guys saw last week I got this amazing, most beautiful PR package from Selena Gomez. Inside this package, it includes her brand new under eye brightener, and I got it in the shade medium. So the way they talk about it is you could either wear it alone just to brighten the under eye, and it's a sheer formula, or you could put it on top of your existing concealer to kind of brighten up the vibe. Also, guys, side note, I have to show you something that this came with because I literally I was on the verge of tears, and I'm so grateful to even have received this package, but I need to show you what it came with. These gorgeous earrings, they are just like really bright diamonds. I love them, and they are of course my initials, which makes it super special. So the fact that I'm even on the radar of Selena Gomez, the team, or Rare Beauty in general, like it just literally made me want to cry. I'm dead serious. I got it and legit, it was crazy. And as you can see, Selena herself is wearing the earrings for SG on herself in the campaign. So anyway, I just died basically. If you want to see my thoughts on the eye brightener, then go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so we're gonna be testing this out two ways. It says layer over concealer or wear it alone for just like a sheer kind of coverage. So let's see what it's like alone. Okay, this has such a cool applicator. Ooh, it's cooling. The applicator is very cool. I'm gonna pop that on under the eye. It's nice and cooling. And guys, I've been having the worst eczema flare up ever right now. So my eyes are just red all around the eye, and you could see the hyperpigmentation is really out here. But okay, I'm gonna try it with a beauty blender, but I don't know if that's gonna shear it out too much. Let's see. Oh. Okay, so I could see you using this with like a BB cream and then like running out of the house. But for me, the shade medium, is it a little bit light for like creating a little bit of an ashy effect? It kind of is, especially because of the extra hyperpigmentation because of my eczema. So instead, we're actually going to try this on top of my concealer and see how that looks. So I will be right back. And we're back. So let's see how this does as a brightener over top of my concealer. So again, this is the shade medium. I'm gonna just put like a small amount because I'm not thinking we need a lot. And then I'm gonna leave this side so we can see the difference. Okay. It's looking a little bit like the formulation is a little bit watery, I noticed. So, which is not a good or bad thing. It's just an observation. Okay. So let's blend. What I'm looking for is it gonna sit well on top of the other products? I have not set my face yet. So, ooh, it is actually blending well. It's not removing any product underneath, which is what I was afraid of. But that watery texture that it has, kind of giving it extra hydration under that eye. But look at the difference. It is definitely brightened. It is lighter and it looks a lot more hydrated than this side. Yeah, wow. And this side is a lot more matte, like the way it dried down. I used the one size concealer. So let's just put a little bit more on this side and see how it does. The cooling effect of the ball is really, really nice. So I think this is one of those things that can kind of act as obviously a brightener, and this is doing just that. So it's sheer coverage. It's not adding more coverage, which is why it's nice to layer, because it's not becoming like a thick goopy mess or anything like that. It's just a nice bright eye-opening situation. I think it's really, really pretty actually. I'm just gonna take a little bit on the nose just to blend that away. Look at that. What do you guys think? Let me know. Definitely be using this on the daily just to see how it wears and how it feels. But so far, I think it looks really pretty. I'm gonna set everything in place and then I'm gonna come back. And there you have it, guys. Everything is all set. I used a powder puff to set. I've lately been obsessed with powder puffs. Side note. Okay, wait, now this is completely unrelated, but this is what I used to set. It was the new Beauty Blender powder puff, and it it changed the game because it fits like perfectly under the eye here and here. But I really like the product. I think it's really nice because it provides that brightness without adding like a thick amount of coverage, which is not something that you always need. Sometimes you just want the brightness alone. So I really like the option of that, because a lot of times when I'm trying to brighten the under eye, I'll use another full coverage concealer, like 2 of them. So one in the shade that matches my skin, and then another one in a lighter shade, and it adds a lot of coverage under the eye, which means a lot of product under the eye, and it could build up. So I really like the concept of this under eye brightener. Let me know what you guys think and if you would try this out. Don't forget to like and subscribe because I post every single week. I'm going to post my most recent video right here for you to check out. The new Rare Beauty highlighters, I filmed a video on it. You need to check it out. They are stunning. So I'll see you guys next week. Bye guys.